You'll love this vehicle. This is a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.